Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file nil returns on ECitizen. First, it's crucial to understand that filing nil returns is a mandatory obligation for all KRA PIN holders, even if you had no income. This ensures you remain compliant and avoid potential penalties. To begin, simply visit the ECitizen portal and log in using your usual identification number and password. Once logged in, proceed to locate and select the Kenya Revenue Authority services from the main dashboard. After successfully accessing the KRA Services section, the system will prompt you to confirm your KRA PIN and other personal details. Please take a moment to ensure all this information is correct before proceeding. Next, you will see a menu with various options. Select the File Returns tab. From there, it is very important to specifically choose the File Nil Returns option, as this is the correct path for declaring zero income. Now, you will need to define your tax obligation. For most individual taxpayers filing nil returns, this will be income tax resident individual. Select this option carefully. The system is designed to be user-friendly, so it will automatically populate the return period, typically covering a full calendar year. Always take a moment to verify that these pre-filled dates accurately reflect the period for which you are filing your nil return. Before finalizing, perform a quick, thorough review of all the information displayed on your screen. Double-check your KRA PIN and the selected return period to ensure everything is accurate. Once you are confident, click the Submit button to send your nil return to the Kenya Revenue Authority. Upon successful submission, you will receive an acknowledgement receipt. Make sure to download and save this important document for your personal records. It serves as proof of compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.